All right, so search, use, replace, preview controls whether to open replace preview when selecting or replacing a match. So if you search for something that you wanna, by the way, let me just remove this so that you see this is the search, this is the replace. So you can search for logger and replace for testing, for example. And this setting controls what happens when you click this, when you click any line really. So if we click here, it's going to show us a preview of what we have now and what we're going to have after this search and replace. And this actually it's a really good feature because before you do a search and replace, you want to make sure that you're only replacing what really needs replacement, right? And sometimes you're also replacing stuff you don't really want to replace, like comments or parts of words. So imagine I had a variable called keylogger, right? I mean, I would replace keylogger with key testing. I don't want that, right? So it's actually a good thing that you can see exactly what's going to change in your code with this replace preview. I find this to be a really useful feature, so I'm going to leave it in its default state, which is true.